Good morning, Southwest Florida. I'm Bree Walling. This Naples Herald Morning Report is sponsored by Conditioned Air to comfort people since 1962. This morning, we'll tell you what the Supreme Court has been up to, give you an update on the California wildfires, and more. Today is Tuesday, June 28th, and this is the Morning Report. Crews made progress against a wildfire that killed 2 people and destroyed 200 homes as it tore through mountain communities in central California, leaving little time for residents to flee the fast-moving flames. About 2,000 firefighters increased containment on the blaze to 40% as of Sunday evening. The blaze that began Thursday quickly became the most destructive when the state's governor declared a state of emergency, freeing up money and resources to fight the fire and to clean up in the aftermath. Evacuations were still in place on Monday, but it's not clear how many residents were affected. Check back for more updates. The Supreme Court struck down Texas's widely replicated regulation of abortion clinics on Monday in the court's biggest abortion case in nearly a quarter century. The justices voted 5-3 in favor of Texas clinics that had argued the regulations were only a veiled attempt to make it harder for women to get abortions in the nation's second most populous state. Justice Stephen Breyer's majority opinion for the court held that the regulations are medically unnecessary and unconstitutionally limit a woman's right to an abortion, while Texas had argued its 2013 law and subsequent regulations were needed to protect women's health. Ginsburg wrote that the proposed Texas law does little or nothing for health and cannot survive judicial inspection under the court's earlier abortion rights decisions. She pointed specifically to Roe v. Wade in 1973 and Planned Parenthood v. Casey in 1992, while opponents argue this is a bending of the rules when there's an effort to limit abortion or even speak in opposition to abortion. Weigh in with your comments at naplesherald.com. A new Washington study says that Donald Trump's tax and budget plans would make the national debt skyrocket by a staggering $10 trillion or more over the coming decade, mostly because of his ambitious and expensive tax cuts. The Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget says Democrat Hillary Clinton's agenda, which relies on tax increases to pay for proposals such as making the Affordable Care Act more generous, would increase the debt by about $250 billion over 10 years. Trump's measure is considered important because if the debt gets too large, it would cause higher interest rates, be a severe drag on national investment and growth, and potentially lead to a fiscal crisis. By contrast, a tax proposal released last week by House Speaker Paul Ryan promises no net loss of tax revenue and is therefore only able to lower the top individual tax rate to 33% and the tax corporate rate to 20%. Read more about the study on naplesherald.com. And that was our morning report for today. I'm Bree Walling. The morning report airs Monday through Friday at 8 a.m. right here at naplesherald.com. And don't forget to check out our lunch break that also airs Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Thank you for watching.